Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there lived a boy named Garfield. But not just any boy, he was special. Garfield was Beast Boy, a superhero with the power to transform into any animal he wanted. One day, Beast Boy was playing in the park when he heard a faint cry for help. He shifted instantly into a swift, agile bird and flew towards the sound. He found a small kitten stuck in a tall tree, scared and meowing loudly. Beast Boy gently transformed back into a boy and carefully climbed up the tree to rescue the kitten. With the kitten safely in his arms, he climbed down and was greeted by a grateful owner. The owner thanked Beast Boy, who smiled and said, "That's what superheroes do, help those in need." Feeling happy, Beast Boy decided to visit his best friend, Raven, to share the news. Raven was amazed and asked, "How did you manage to climb that tree so quickly?" Beast Boy chuckled and said, "It's all about being adaptable, like an animal. And remember, with great power comes great responsibility." Raven nodded, understanding the wisdom in his words. From that day forward, they both promised to use their powers to help others, making their city a safer and happier place. And so, the story of Beast Boy continued, with his amazing transformations and heroic deeds, inspiring everyone in the city. The end.